This is BattleNet today. Watch this. I went through about an hour of this verification, and it gave me an unsolvable puzzle. The numbers that were given did not add up. I went through 9 screens of that. See, look at this shit. Where is the number? That's 25. That's too much. Too little. Too little. 26. Okay. 24. 32. 13. Yeah, this is impossible right here. 9 is 18. 13. 4. 14. 5. 16. Okay. Now watch. I'll get this right. I get all these right, and it'll still come up and say at the very end, it's still no good. I'm just thinking what kind of a hack is behind it saying, well, no matter what, we're going to waste your time. Because how in the hell is anybody even playing BattleNet if they're going to do this with a stupid human verification? Okay, so then what, 20, what, 29? Not the fun out of everything, dude. Yeah, that ain't gonna get it either. That dog don't stop barking. 31. Okay, That should be 32. Too much. 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 See this? Too much. Too much. Just add up. Doesn't say minus down. Doesn't say go in perimeter left or right. It doesn't say start a pie chart and go from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It doesn't go that direction. It goes this. Yeah. Do you see a 5 in any of these squares, people? Look at this. There is no 5 on this shit. Oops, I accidentally messed it up. Yeah. What's the fucking point? Watch. Okay. So 11 and 9 is 20, 30. Wait a minute. 4, yeah, 20, 30. Okay. And then, yeah, so I'm already frustrated. That's 33. Okay. 1, 5, 6, 10, 10. There you go, 40. Okay. That's too much, obviously. Okay. 3 and 7 is 10. That's going to be, what, 20, that can't be 28. Let's see. No. No, that's higher in value. Higher in value. Way higher in value. Yeah, I'm just thinking where to get this, people. This one adds up. Okay? I'm already frustrated because this thing's gonna wasted an hour of my time trying to get this damn human verification right. And keep in mind, I have an award for 1 year having the highest concepts of numbers on a Stanford Achievement Test in the state of Alabama. This is not for the district, not just for the county, not just for the city, not just for the school, but in Alabama completely 1 year for my grade level. I had math awards every year, a whole bunch of them. Concepts of numbers, though, was my best. I'd like to be able to play tonight, but instead I gotta play with this crap. This human verification stuff is never legit. That's one thing. How the hell did you teach your robot to verify what's human? You don't know yourself there. You're using a damn robot to do it. If you want to fucking verify a human, you call a human up and say, "Are you human?" And if the person says, "Well, maybe, yeah, I am," then maybe question that. Yeah, where's your even amount of time? You always looking for an edge, right? Okay, so 7 and 15, that's 20, what, 22, right? Okay, so then, okay, 8 and 8, that's 16, 16, 16, 32. And it stops right in the middle of it. Okay. This thing is not wanting me to play it. It's probably picked my Florida IP address and said, "Nah, we can't have anybody from Florida because we got our ass whooped by somebody from Florida all the fucking time." Okay, 16 and 14. It's 30, 43. Until right now, I don't have any problem with this game because of this. Just wait. It's like handing a trash can lid to me with my steak dinner on it. You take it and cram it up your ass. When I get done, you cram it up your ass. That's what happens when you get Chinese folks in California running your damn company. EdgeOfNowhere.com. That's where the C++ come from. That's where the map hack come from. That's where the 2NT bot comes from. I know where the Nemesis NPC came from. He was a guild mate of mine in a guild called The Best on Slayers.net. .kr, Taiwo, Korea, in 1998. But how in the world that any of this policy change and all this crap was legit over the years? It wasn't. And like D2 itself was ruined by Chinese for their damn spam bots. You could have blocked their damn spam bots, but instead, I mean, you should just block their fucking IP, period. But instead, though, you let them run wild on it. You ban our CD keys because we're inactive after being ladder players. You change your policy without notification from 3 months inactive to 2 months inactive, and then decided, well, it was 1 month inactive and delete it, and then give us a notice. Didn't give us our full time on it. So that's where we come up with Map Hack to come get our time back. Then you went banning our keys there. And the thing is, though, when you ban our CDs, and the way you had it there, one little scratch on that son of a bitch, it is no good. So then we had to buy the more CD keys. There's no telling how many times I had to rebuy the entire fucking game because of their flaws. It was a racket. This is not where I want to start this game off. I want to start pissed off. And I'm pissed off because you're not giving me a chance to actually answer these questions. When you give me if it's extremely hard, that's one thing. If it's impossible, fuck you. Eleven, 11, 22. Watch this shit. No fucking way. You started this all over again? Stupid son of a bitch.